Hello everyone, welcome to Strap Essential Tutorial Series. In this lesson, we will learn how to design columns in Strap and how to get the detailed drawing of columns in Strap. So, to design the columns, we have to go to the concrete tab first. Now here you will get the columns option. So click on this column. Now go to defaults menu and check all the required parameters. I want to design the structure for both the moments. The code will be IS 456-2000. You can go to reinforcement. You can select the concrete grade. I'll be taking M30 for the columns and FE 500 for the main reinforcement. You can select the gross cover. Bar diameter you can select from here, and the spacing. Now number of bar sizes, you can go with 2 bar sizes here. Now go to shear tab and you can select ties or spirals, shear reinforcement grade, diameter, number of lags, spacing increment. Now you can go to seismic tab and you can select the seismic frame, as our structure is having seismic load on it. And you can see, as we did in our beam design, we have selected all the load cases here. Now let's go to detailing and you can select the required detailing option from here. Now you can click on OK. Now click on compute. Now select all defined columns. Click on OK. And it will take some time to design all the columns. Now the design is completed. You can see this is the result summary for all the columns. If you want to check detailed column results, go to results, display detailed results, select any column. Now select all combinations or design combinations only as per your requirement. I will be taking design combinations only. Click on extended detailed results to get an extended result. Click on OK. You can see this is our total column, and here is the column design results. You can see the shear force diagram, moment diagram, required reinforcement, and all the forces coming on the column. So this is how you can get the design results. Now if you go to data display, you can check the area of reinforcement in the columns. You can see we are getting very higher area of reinforcement, so that in that case we can change the column sizes. If you go to data display again, you can check the capacity. Here you can see the capacity. You can check the number of bars. For all the columns. Now if you want to get the detailed drawing for a column, go to draw, select any sheet. I am going to take A4 size sheet, landscape or portrait as per your requirement. Now click on edit. Here I have the sheet. Click on add. I want to get the entire column elevation, so select elevation entire column. You can provide the scale here. Now you can change the direction as per your requirement. Click on OK. Select the column and you can place it here. Now to get the section of the columns, go to add again. Click on sections for each elevation level. You can select here in which side you want to add the sections. Click on OK and select the column. You can see all the sections are added here. Now you can change the size here. So click on edit, select the column and give this scale as 1:50. Click on OK. You can see we have scaled the column drawing. Now if you want to add the schedule for this column, you can go to add and you can click on bar schedule. You can choose the text size. Click on OK. Now place the schedule on your sheet. This is how we can create the sheet for the column details, and we can export it to any drafting software for further change or for the printing purpose. Now if you want to move these drawings, you can click on move. You can select with whatever element you want to move. Let me select this schedule, and you can move this schedule to any other place. So this is how we can create the column design and detailed drawing using Strap software. So this is it for today. In our next lesson, we will learn such advanced topics on structural design engineering using Strap. Thank you.